the kind of girl that you could be down for. Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Join the Black Envy movement. Click the notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. So today I am showing you how I am getting this amazing ashiest ash blonde. Now in this video I didn't go fully in steps, but I do want to clarify that this color was made from a 1B and lifted into this color. And if you want a detailed video on how I do it with minimal damage, leave a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up, and I will be glad to show step by step how I achieve this color without actually investing in 613 bundles. Okay, so this is just showing how I had the brassy yellow toned blonde, which you'll see right here. Yes, and turn it into a very well toned hair. It's giving me 70s vibes. I'm just feeling it. And let's examine this 5x5 closure, guys. Like this transparent closure. Okay, by Blaque Envy. If you haven't ordered a wig from me, what are you doing? The website is right here. Order today. Purchase your wig today on blackenvy.com. Link will be down below. So let's get into this video to see how I achieve this hair color, and keep on watching. And while you at it, you might as well follow through with my latest videos. All of those things from vlogs, get ready with me, chit chats will be linked down below. And follow me in all my social media platforms to keep up with what I'm doing and what Blaque Envy is doing. And I'll see you in my next video. Right now we're starting out with this blonde unit that I did probably a year ago. I lifted it from a 1B to this color right here, gradients of blonde just everywhere. But as you guys can tell, it's still a little brassy, it's still yellow, and I've been trying to figure out what kind of blonde did I want to tone it into. So today I'm gonna be showing you what I did to achieve the color you seen at the beginning. So let's get into it. Right here I'm gonna be using the T18 Wella Developer toner, not developer, a 30 developer. Just mixing the two. Remember that when you're using these toners, they're very strong. Okay, follow the directions in the packets, but they're very strong, so make sure you're in an open area or you got windows open, fans turned on, because when I tell you the smell was killing me, I had to open a window. So here I'm starting to tone the wig. As you can tell, I'm doing it in sections. So I started with a big section and start applying it everywhere. And then later on, you're gonna see me split my section in half and make sure that I'm applying every single strand with this toner, because we don't want any blotchy spots. We don't want any brassiness whatsoever. We really want to give this wig a very natural, non-brassy, non-orange look. So as much as this video is sped up, make sure you take your time. Make sure you're really applying it to every strand. If you guys want me to give you a detailed video on how I achieve my blondes from a 1B to a 27 or a 613, leave a comment down below. I will be gladly to do a video like that. But right now we're just gonna apply it all over the wig.
I don't die on this one. don't die on this one.
So after you apply the toner everywhere, after I apply the toner, I am just covering the wig in a plastic bag because I do want to retain heat just so it can tone even faster, and just to make sure it's working well. It's just like bleach, you want to make sure it's hot. This is what it looks like after I've deep conditioned it and rinsed it out with purple shampoo and purple conditioner, just to remove any little brassiness I had left in the wig. So now I'm using Salon Selective Heat Protecting Spray, applying it all over the hair and blow drying it out. You see guys, as you can tell, the hair still have movement, the hair still has a body, and you can tell it's not as yellow as it was before I applied the toner. And it just felt so soft just blowing it out. And just remember that even when it's wet, it just looks dark, but it's actually lighter than what it appears to be. As you guys can tell, I've already pressed it out. I'm starting the curling process. When I was deciding what kind of curl or style I wanted to do with the wig, I didn't want real tight curls. I didn't want bouncy curls. I just wanted a little slight bump curl, like it's a curl there but a little bump to it, just to give it some body to the hair. I didn't want to do too much, especially it's a blunt cut and it's short, and it was just the vibes for me. And I still wanted it to be, flat but with body, basically. Yes, guys, are we feeling this curl, this bounce? Look at the body, look at the light layers, just look at the hair. Amazing, amazing. So now we're gonna get into the install. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you guys know exactly what's about to go down. My got to be gel and my got to be spray. Those are really the only products I use to install my wig. If I'm not using the got to be spray, I'm using pump it up spritz extra hold, because my wigs don't stay on for long and I like to take them off. So this is your best bet, as well as it's just sufficient for me in my lifestyle. But glue is also an option. Okay, one thing about Blaque Envy closure wigs, y'all, especially the 5x5s, they melt into the skin like nobody's business. Okay, I didn't have to tone the wig really, and this is me reapplying the wig the second day. I didn't have to tone it. I didn't have to do anything. It just melted on. So remember, guys, you guys can get a blonde unit from blackeenvy.com. The link will be down below, and there's a variety of other different wig styles as well that you can choose from, ready to ship. Usually it don't take that long to get your wig. This particular wig you can get hasn't been posted, but there's one similar to it called Snow White from the winter collection, and the link will be down below. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see more content like this, and I will see you in my next video.
Music.
This sounds art amazing.